What's up guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're taking a look at the tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus have made this gorgeous 90Hz display and we want to keep it looking as good as new for as long as possible. So let's get to it. Our 7 Pro screen protector is made from a special chemically treated reinforced glass. It has an industry-leading 9H hardness, the clarity is superb, and with its high light transmitters, image quality is amazing and the colors are just as vivid as the bare screen. This also makes it fully compatible with the fingerprint sensor. Strength and durability are key for us, but we also care about your user experience. So we designed and built our screen protectors to withstand and absorb impacts whilst being thin enough that you'll forget that it's even there. It's universally compatible, so if you do decide to switch up cases, you know you won't have to worry about changing your screen protector. Let's get to the application. Pro tip, if you have an Orzly case or the official case that comes with the phone, you can put it on and use it as a guide if you want it lined up perfectly. Due to the curve of the screen, we've opted for a Pro fit. This only has adhesive around the black borders of the screen protectors. This makes application really easy, guarantees no bubbles, and the nano dot array maintains that excellent screen responsiveness that you've come to expect from a OnePlus device. Each pack comes with alcohol swabs and microfiber cloths. Grab those and clean the screen. Use the dust stickers to lift off any dust or lint that may have fallen on the screen. Grab your screen protector and peel it off the packaging, making sure not to touch the adhesive side. Line it up against the edges of your screen and drop it into place. Now, use the microfiber cloth around the edges to seal the screen protector and give it a final wipe down. Test out your fingerprint sensor, and if it's reacting slowly, just redo the fingerprint recognition with the screen protector on and it should work just fine. Now your phone is protected and you're ready to go. There you have it, the Orzly screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Available as a twin pack or a quad pack on Orzly.com. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please leave a like or share it, you know, all that good stuff. Links to buy are available now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.